Hello everyone, there is a recruitment update by IDBI Bank. You can see this. They have released a notification for the recruitment of junior assistant manager under grade O. The above position will be on pan India basis as per the selection process enumerated hereunder. So here are the important instructions. First of all, before applying to this post, candidate has to check with the eligibility criteria. Here are the details of the vacancies. So for junior assistant manager, total of 676 vacancies are released. For unreserved category, 271 post is there. For SC category, 140 vacancies are there. For ST category, 74. For OBC, 124. For EWS, 67 vacancies are there. And the people with disabilities, there are 8788 vacancies on different disabilities. Okay, let's check on this notification further. The important dates are, first of all, cutoff date for eligibility criteria and age and educational qualification is as per May 1st, 2025. Means you have to check your age eligibility criteria up to May 1st, 2025. Advertisement date is May 7th. Online registration, including the edits, modification of application by the candidates, it has already started from May 8th, and the last date for applying online is May 20th. 20th of May, 20 of May is the last day for applying for this post. The examination for this particular post will be an online examination that will be conducted on June 8th, 2025. It is a Sunday, right? Let's see further on this notification. The eligibility criteria you can see as on May 1. Please note that the eligibility criteria specified herein are the basic criteria for applying for the post. You can see this. The minimum age required is 20 years. The upper age limit is 25 years. This upper age limit is for general category. For other categories, this upper age limit have been relaxed by few more years that we will going to see in this notification. The educational qualification required is candidate must have bachelor's degree with minimum of 60% for general and EWS category and also for OBC category candidates. For SC/ST category and PWD category candidates, minimum of 55% marks are required in the qualifying bachelor's degree. Your university should be recognized or approved by the government or government bodies like AICTE, UGC. So if you have done your engineering from any AICTE approved colleges, you are eligible to apply for this post. Even if you have done any non-tech degree from a college which is recognized by UGC, then you are eligible for apply to this post. So the candidate are expected to have proficiency in computers. One very important thing here, diploma students, if they have only diploma degree, then they are not eligible to apply for this post. Diploma students should have an engineering degree, then only they can apply for this post. You can see this. All the points are mentioned here. Then specific information and instruction regarding the career prospect and service is mentioned. If you are hired for this post, the CTC offered will be in the range of 6.1 lakh to 6.5 lakh per annum. And the career perspective is on completion of service up to 3 years, you will be promoted to grade A. Then you can see this terms of appointment and positioning. Selection process is given to you. So first online test will be conducted. After that, document verification followed by the personal interview and pre-recruitment medical test will be done. Then only the final selection will be made for the candidates. You can see further, this is the detail of the test. So the first part of the test is logical reasoning, data analysis and interpretation. 60 questions will be asked for 60 marks and the time given will be 40 minutes. Second will be English language. 40 questions will be asked for 40 marks and the time given will be 20 minutes. Third one is quantitative aptitude. 40 questions will be asked for 40 marks and the time given will be 35 minutes. And the fourth part is general economy, banking awareness and computer IT related questions. So 60 questions will be there, asked for 60 marks and the time given will be 25 minutes. Now one very important thing, first of all, for every 4 sections, there will be a sectional cutoff decided by IDBI Bank. And then there will be an overall cutoff. So the candidate has to clear both the sectional and the overall cutoff to face the personal interview, for which the call will be again made by the bank. You can see this further. So all these details are mentioned here. So details regarding personal interview they have mentioned. They have said that based on the number of vacancies, cutoff will be decided and the candidate will be shortlisted for the interview. All the communication will be made through email. So whichever email you are using, make sure that email is active throughout the recruitment process. Let's see ahead in this notification. Few more details are mentioned here regarding the eligibility criteria, nationality and citizenship. You can just go through this PDF. This is the relaxation for upper age limit. For SC/ST category, the upper age limit is relaxed by 5 years. For OBC non-creamy layer category, the upper age limit is relaxed by 3 years. The persons with benchmark disability, the upper age limit is relaxed by 10 years. And for ex-servicemen, the upper age limit is relaxed by 5 years. The person affected by 1984 rights, again the upper age limit is relaxed by 5 years. Let's see ahead into this. So the students who belong to SC/ST category candidates, they have attached here the candidates are allowed for cumulative basis with only one of the remaining categories for which age relaxation is permitted as mentioned in the above table. So education qualification, they have also mentioned about that for general category, minimum of 60% is required. And for SC/ST category and PWD, minimum of 55% is required. And they have mentioned all the detail that if you belong to general category and if you have 54.99%, then it will not be counted as 60%. Okay. So here they have mentioned few more details. How to apply, you have to visit the official website of IDBI Bank. There you will find out the notification for this particular recruitment, and below that there is a link of applying online. So you have to upload all your documents in that application itself. You have to have a scan photograph, thumb impression, handwritten declaration and signature as per the specifications given under the guidelines of the annexure. So this is mentioned here. So this you have to take the printout and sign it. The application process they have mentioned everything here. You can just go through it. This is the official website that you have to visit to get the official link for applying online. Further ahead here, there are few more details mentioned. Here you can see online payment is for SC/ST PWD candidates. You have to only pay 250 rupees for application. For other categories candidates, you have to pay 1050 rupees for applying online. Okay, so it's a big opportunity coming up for both engineers and non-engineering degree candidates. A lot of vacancies are released by IDBI Bank. Make sure that you target this examination, one of the fantastic exam you can appear, especially if you are a graduate student and you are looking out for a job. So if you have liked this information, don't forget it to share with your friends. And till now, if you haven't subscribed the channel, so do hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you can have the regular notifications of the job notifications that we are doing and all the videos that we are doing. Thank you so much. Have a great day.